What's the meaning of birthday? Birthday. Birthday.
Birthday. Birthday. A birthday is a special day that marks the anniversary of a person's birth. It is a celebration of life and an opportunity to reflect on the past year, make new goals for the future, and cherish relationships with friends and family. Birthdays are often marked with parties, gifts, and special activities. In some cultures, certain birthdays, such as 18 or 21, signify the transition into adulthood. Traditionally, a cake with candles is presented, and the birthday person makes a wish before blowing out the candles. Overall, birthdays hold significant value for individuals, providing a chance to celebrate milestones, embrace personal growth, and enjoy the company of loved ones.